Right, let me go through you guys how to connect Android application to the Firebase, right? So first you have to create a new project, right? So on this screen we have to select no activity first, right? Then select next, and you have to give a name for your project, right? You can select whatever the project you name, and the default setting you can keep, right? On there you can even select a Java or Kotlin, it's okay, right? So let me go through how you can connect this application to the Firebase. For after creation the project, it will take some few minutes to download the necessary dependencies and the downloads, right? So wait until the everything finish on there, and after the finish you can connect your application to the Firebase, right? So for that you have to go in the menu tools, right? So there was a section called tools, right? So you have to select on the location tools, and then you can go with to connect the Firebase. Now you can even see the downloads were completed and it's a build successful. Now you can go for the tools and select Firebase, right? So in your right side it may appear a Firebase menu, right? It will show a lot of options that you can work with the Firebase, but after they appear the menu of Firebase, you can connect your application to the Firebase easily, right? Let me go through with that. So now you can see the menu appeared on the relevant Firebase. Now I am selecting Google Analytics on there, and then connect with Java and click connect to the Firebase, right? So you may redirect into the Firebase console, and you have to create a project on there, right? On here you have to, if you are not created a project, you have to create project on there and click your relevant project, right? If you created a project on there, so you have to click the relevant project, and then you can you may receive a message called your your application is connected, or you have to click connect on here, right? So if you connected that one, it's display a message. So now you message says Android Studio is connected to your Firebase Android app, right? So now the every steps were completed with connecting your application, and in the Firebase setting general view, you may that appear the connected application to the your Firebase, right? And even there was a place called add fingerprint, right? So in the bottom you may find out add fingerprint, so you can add the relevant SHA1 code and SHA2 code. So not the 2 code, SHA256 code, right? So you can even add the fingerprint or certificate to the here. So you can generate that one using sign in report, right? So but I will later upload a different video how you can generate a sign in report on your applications, right? So this is the step that you can connected your application to the Firebase, right? It's not a hard task, and even after the connecting that one, you have to add the dependencies, right? So if you successfully apply these dependencies, just clicking apply changes or save changes, it will show the relevant dependencies on your in the project structure, right? So in the Gradle you may find out the relevant dependencies that applied on there, right? So you have to click uh, Gradle, right? On this one, it's in the app build Gradle quarterly, right? KTS, right? So you may find out in the button dependencies. Now you may find out the implementations Firebase.analytics. That means successfully we have applied the relevant dependencies from the Firebase analytics, right? So that's the step that you have to be followed if you are willing to connect your Android application to the Firebase. Later I will upload this how you can create or generate sign in report to connect your application fingerprint to the your application to the Firebase, right? So that's okay.